three. In 3, 2, 1, go!
All 6 robots exit that robot starting zone, so 9 points on the board as long as they stay off of that black tape in the center of the field. McQuanago Bears go for their second attempt at L4 Coral autonomously. 7 points for each of those. One also makes its way up to L4 for the Blue Alliance. It looks like that came in from Paradigm Shift. So we've got auto RP on both sides of the field as match 43 gets underway. McQuanago Bears 930. Their initial focus here is on Algae. They raise their elevator on up, but their launch up to that Red Alliance net does bounce off the edge and back down to the playing field floor. Meanwhile, we have our second piece of Algae being processed by Terminators in blue. That Algae gets passed on over to 9425's Human Player. Human Player goes up and scores 4 points for the Red Alliance, putting that Algae into the red net. Blue Alliance with an early lead, 62-50. Minute and a half remaining in the match. McQuanago Bears attempt to drop off some coral. It does bounce down into the trough. They're going to make another play at the net here. This time they wait until that elevator is all the way up until it's able to clear the entrance of that net. And 2 Algae get passed through the processor from Intra-Milwaukee. Cooperation indicated on the board now. Only 3 levels of the reef need to have 5 coral on them to earn that bonus ranking point. The Red Alliance, they are 1 coral away on 2 of those levels. It looks like L3 or 4 might be one of the first ones to get finished. McQuanago goes to finish L4, but it falls out of their grasp down into the trough. Blue Alliance with a slight lead. Both sides of the field do have 2 levels of reef completed. 66-43 for the Blue Alliance, Walnuts and Bolts. It looks like they are reaching all the way up to level 4. They're going to let Paradigm Shift finish off level 2. Paradigm does try to expel that coral, but it falls to the floor. They've still got time, though, to finish off these sections of the reef. Ultimate Protection Squad, they drop off onto level 2. McQuanago reaches up to level 4. We're still 1 coral away for both RPs. 66-43, Walnuts and Bolts for the Blue Alliance. They are looking for perfection, but it bounces right out of their grasp. Robots instead race to the barge zone, and it looks like we've got robots in favor of the Blue Alliance. 182 to 181. Phenomenal work by all 6 robots on the field, but with that extra point, the Blue Alliance is victorious.